What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I will keep saying it in every video. When I make these videos, I'm feeling super great. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community for some more good ass beat making videos. Let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. Also, I want to thank Mixed and Key for making this video possible. Big shout out to them for sponsoring this video. They just dropped a new plugin called Captain Plugin Epic. It helps you create melodies, chords, and bass lines all inside of your DAW with just like a few clicks, so it's super fire. It goes in a wide range of genres, from pop to hip hop to R&B to house, all kind of genres. So also all the chords that are created inside of the plugin have a realistic pianistic feeling to it, so it sounds like somebody actually is like playing it. So that's a cool feature as well. It really has a ton of presets as well, from just chords to arpeggiators. If you select like a preset, you can edit it inside of that plugin as well, so that is super fire as well. They also collaborated with Kiloheart to create a built-in synthesizers. It creates sounds and it creates the midis for you, so that is just like mind-blowing. It does not limit your creativity, so make sure to go check it out. The link is right there in the description. Feel free to check it out, go download it, and let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. I got this plugin SRX Orchestra, super fire for these orchestral type of beats, but I'm going to try and make it a little bit darker this time, so let's get it. Alright, let's change the preset for like a bell sound and then come back later to like the strings. So I'm going to open up again this orchestra plugin and see if they got like some bells or some keys or something. What I'm going to do right now is just copy over the same chords and like the same pattern that we made, but I'm going to like break it down. So I'm going to delete these notes right here because I think it's like a little bit too busy. Right now I'm rendering everything out. It's sounding super dark, super violent as well. Like, bro, the drums finna go crazy, bro. Like, I'm trying to add maybe like a triplet bounce on the hi-hats. That way it's like a little bit unique here and not always like the same type of stuff. But let's drag this in there, cut everything like that. Let's structure the melody. Whoa, this beat is crazy, bro. It's just insane. It's just crazy to me, this beat, bro. Like, I don't know who I hear on this beat, but like the melody is like really in the style of Metro Booming, but the drums are really something different. I think if an artist need to rap on this, I need to like switch up the drums a little bit just to make sure it's like a rapper can be able to rap over it. But overall, I really love the beat. It's super dark, super violent, hard hitting, really nasty as well. If you want me to check out your beat in the next video, use the hashtag #SkanaBeats on Instagram underneath your Instagram post, and I might listen to yours in the next video. So if you're already there, make sure to follow me at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.